containing so many pages at a time. So now we have followed these 3 steps so far. Now I'm returning back here. Now let's start with the next task, that is creating a rings. Okay, so I will somewhere come. Okay, now creating a rings is again a challenging task. For that, take a cylinder. Okay, make it like a hole. Place it just over the notebook, and I will going to make a holes with the help of circular holes with the help of a cylinder. Okay, so now I will come somewhere here. Yes. So now I will be making this over here. Now I will be putting it inside the notebook. So you know why I'm putting this inside the notebook? Because I want to create a hole. In that hole, I want that, yeah, in that hole, I want that my ring will be passing. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this. Let's see the top view. Okay, I can see the top view now. Now let's see the view between the top and the left. Yes, I can see it. Now come to the left. Now we will remain between the top and the left view. Okay, but if you want to come here, then you can come. So I will going to make it a, if you want to delete anything, you can do, just click on this bin icon, select this. Now I want to make it as a whole. So I will going to make it. Okay. And what's the shortcut for duplicate? Control D. Okay. Put it here. Then Control D. So when you see the top, you will see that, okay, it's going there. So you can put it and place it as the right positions for your notebook, because it will going to be creating the hole for your notebook. Okay. And remember that in the work plane, these cylinders are actually passing through the work plane, and that's what we want. After duplicating, if you find that these are extra cylinders, then you can delete one of them. In my case, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cylinders I have got. So now I will going to select the notebook, it means the register, as well as the whole cylinders. 13 cylinders I will going to select at a time. Okay, so select all the cylinders, 13 cylinders, as well as the register notebook. So now click on group. What is the short form for the group? Control G. Grouping is to merge all the shapes together so that you can create a punch like structure. Okay, so now once you are done with the grouping, you will see that there are many holes that are, let's view from the top. Oh wow, so you can see the holes are created. Very nice. And now you can move it somewhere because you have grouped now. You have merged all the 3D registered all together. So now go here and pick the torus. Okay. And now for your understanding, let me write the other steps as well. So these are the steps for the making of the register. Now I will discuss the steps for making the holes. For making the holes, what shape we have used? I have used the shape cylinder, pick cylinder. use it as a whole. It means you will pick a this cylinder, then you will not use it as a solid, you will use it as a whole. And then again I did control plus D for duplicating and repeating, and in the end I have did control plus G. I have applied on the, from this I got 13 whole cylinders, and from this I got control plus G. I need to apply on the register as well as on the 13 cylinders. Okay, so far we have done with this. And now let's do one more thing here, that here is the ring. I want to rotate it and I want to reduce its size. Okay, and I want to put it here. Okay, if you want to reduce its size, then you can reduce it according to your choice. So because I need to duplicate it, so I will apply the changes on the single ring only for now. Okay, so this is my ring. So make sure that you will put it inside, exactly inside it. So you can use the minus sign. Okay, perfect. So now I will going to duplicate it. Put it here, duplicate it, control D, duplicate and repeating. Okay. So now you can see that I have created a whole register, but I want to change it color. You can change it. If you want to change the color to something else, you can change it as per your choice. So I'm keeping the ring colors as a color of like multicolor I'm keeping. And you can keep your own color choices. Okay. So that can come up with the creativity. So this is the actually not a ring, it's a torus shape that I have used. So quickly I'm done with the this register making, and you can observe it from the different ends that we are ready with the registers. And now you can see that we have created the whole node. So we will meet in the session number 2 of the 3D model in the Tinkercad 3D. So till then, goodbye.